Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn WhatsApp order notification. So whenever we're trying to place the order in Magento, so we are going to send the you know we are going to send WhatsApp message of the orders to the customer, right? So let's start the integrations. So we are using the Twilio. So if you haven't seen my last video where I am showing how to send SMS notification to the phone number, so you need to check that video because we are going to extend that video in that module. So here we are sending the order notification on the WhatsApp, right? So here we are, here is the tutorial. So first of all, you need to configure this one settings, right? So if I go, so let me copy this one and go to the back. So here you need to go to the send SMS. Here you need to configure the SMS, right? So first of all, if you do all the process with this section, like as how to, like here, first of all you need to confirm you there is a number where you need to send the particular code and particular, like you can text. After texting this, you will get to all the messages about the orders, right? So here I can get the order notification. I have set up all the things in the Twilio part, and right now we are going to the Magento part, right? So let's see I'm receiving the orders or not. So here I'm going to purchase something. So this is my demo product of let's say this product. I'm going to add this one, add to cart, right? So go to the proceed to checkout. Let's check previous notification I'm going in or not. Next we have the orders, address, United States, phone number, which is order number, goods mark, comment, free. Okay, next. So this is the payment method. Place the order. Order has been placed. Let's check the notification is coming to my phone or not. See, there is a voice, and my order number is right now it's sent from the Twilio trial account. My new order is 00031, and shipping method is free. Shipping is free, and the product is SDYHDS, right? So this notification is sent to my phone. Now we are going to send the notifications, right, using the WhatsApp. So let's start the integration. So here we are. So here we am going to add this code to my to my previous function. So let me open my previous function, send auto notifications. So here we have the create messages with this params. So we are going to change it, right? So here I'm going to add this one message. So directly we are going to add the message over here. So this is gonna be client messages, right? WhatsApp number from, that is the WhatsApp number body. You need to send this parameter params, right? So I'm going to add this parameter over here, and let's check the action if it is working or not. So let me go to the continue shopping and add one more product. Here I'm going to add another product, iPhone. There is iPhone. Oh no, there is no Motorola phone. So there is demo product. Let's going to add it. Go to checkout. Here we need to field all this I have added. Now go to the next, shipping address, right? Buyer email is gonna be added. good marks this and gonna be like free shipping. Okay, so next, this method, place order. We have only one notification right now. Now it says two, and see what it's showing. Message is also showing, and this is only this message is work. This is message I'm getting plus 6591. Let's check what exactly the issue is. Let me go to the code. So here the params. Okay, okay, okay. So parameter is basically this one, and we are not getting. We need to send this one body, full body, right? So it should be like this one. So this should be comment, and this should be on. But you can directly add this part right to what's from part over this one. From parameter would be this body parameter, and open this part, and let's comment this part. I think WhatsApp and the array from the body get order. Okay, let's comment it, and let's check create, but we need require this one WhatsApp, right? So we have added this one. Let's go to the again place an order. Go to the iPhone don't we have. Let's move to the next product. Let's add the demo one. Go to the shopping cart, proceed to checkout. This field we need to add it. Next, shipping one, mandatory. Next, text field does not have this method get text field. Okay, so let's move to the second step. Next, gmail.com. Right, next, shipping. All these fields are added. Next, okay, so this is payment, place order. We have two notifications and gonna be three. And see, new order of this one, and shipping method free, and the demo product is this, right? So I get the notification from my account, and this is my order number. So this is how we can successfully able to send the WhatsApp notifications to the WhatsApp. So you can use, just you need to just override the observer and do that process which you have done previously. Just I have added the WhatsApp number to only the WhatsApp. Okay, you will directly get the what number from the order, and just send the whatever parameter that you want to send over it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand how to send notification to the WhatsApp. Have a great day.